3 days, the magpie, wrapped in a pink veil, chews on honey, its eyes filled with anticipation. In summer, little owl will again blow bubbles into the sky from the small fish in the stream, taking big gulps of water and inhaling the dark green world. Autumn is a small path nestled among the pebbles, shimmering with golden light beneath the fallen leaves. Winter is a little cat curled up in its nest, dreaming of sparkling honey and a snow-white fairy tale world. My season is a warm croquette, wrapped in a golden crispy shell with a soft hot center. It is passionate, enthusiastic, and comforting. In fact, the origin of croquettes is quite charming. Originally known in France as a term, meaning fried meatballs, it was transliterated to croquette after arriving in China. Pork, onion, potato, breadcrumbs, and egg are all the ingredients needed for making croquettes. Cut the potato into cubes, chop half a stick of onion, and slice carrot into small pieces. Once the temperature reaches a point where the center of the pan turns red, add a small amount of oil and minced pork and stir fry. Then add diced carrots and diced onions. Stir fry until the onion becomes transparent, then season with black pepper and sea salt. The right amount of black pepper can enhance the deliciousness of the pork while also removing any fishy taste and greasiness. Potatoes can be cooked in the microwave or boiled in a small pot of water. Boiling requires a bit more patience. Slowly cook the potatoes until they are completely tender, then remove them and mash them while hot. Season with black pepper and sea salt. Freshly ground black pepper will enhance the aroma of the potatoes. Finally, mix in the sautéed minced pork. Divide into 4 portions, and at this point, the shaping master comes into play. Stuff the cheese slices into the potato mash and mold them into an oval shape. Coat in flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs, in sequence according to the frying 3-piece set. Next comes the sacred moment. Place the croquettes into oil heated to about 80%, and since the filling is already cooked, you only need to wait until the surface turns golden before taking them out. To balance the richness, you can also pair it with croquettes. Today, let's make a salad with tomato and mozzarella cheese, seasoned with black pepper, sea salt, and olive oil.